Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Ken and today I'm gonna show you how to do the auto post on KIJIJI. So you're gonna be able to post from 1 to 100 posts per day if you want. You can do it every 10 minutes, every hour, or just do it one time a day. Okay, so at the end of the video you're gonna understand how it works. If you have any comments, just let me know, okay? So let's start. Load Firefox. Okay, so just download it. Okay, so go here, then you're gonna go here. So since I haven't installed it on my computer already, so it says refresh Firefox, but anyways, just skip it. Okay, so once you download Firefox, it's gonna work on Windows, Mac, everything. Okay, so once you have it, so now we're gonna go and we're gonna hit download iMacro for Firefox. So it's important to put it for Firefox since you have Chrome, since you have I don't know if it works for Internet Explorer. So basically, what is what is iMacro? So basically, the iMacro it's it's an extension or add-on. Okay, so basically what it does is it records, okay, and replay every repetitive task that you do. So let's say that you do, I don't know, copy paste every day, copy paste. So basically what it's gonna do, the iMacro is gonna record all those steps, and it's gonna put it on the file and then just reproduce it. Okay, so now so you go to add to Firefox. Okay, so you install it. Okay, so now it's gonna ask you to restart the so now once we open the Firefox again, the Firefox, so let's go to KIJIJI. Okay, so now on the right hand side you're gonna see a little icon. Okay, so just click it there, and it's gonna appear in the left hand side. It's gonna appear like a menu. You see, I click it, hi, show, hi, show, hi, show. Okay, so now we're gonna see here that we have play, reg, and manage. Okay, so basically those here are your macros, okay, that you already have. Okay, so those are the macros. Okay, those are examples, just demos. Okay, so you can go and just hit play in one, so you're gonna see what it actually does. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to KIJIJI directly. Okay, so now that we're on KIJIJI, okay, let's say that that we wanna post a service. Okay, let's say cleaning services. Okay, so go here and let's put a post. Okay, so I want to post, so let's change it to English. So let's go to cleaners cleaning. So now you see that you have all the fields to fill in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just let's do it reg. Okay, let's do record. Okay, so we're gonna start doing, let's say this is a title. Okay, so this is a description. Okay, so put the postal code. So go and pick up a picture. So I just do a picture here, cleaning services that I just download before. Okay, so now we're good. So you can put a YouTube video if you want. So then you can put your phone number. So then just put post. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase that thing. Okay, so basically what it just happened, I just record the macro. Okay, so now you have the version, so just don't, it doesn't matter about this, okay? So what you're gonna see is that we have, just let me put this here. Okay, so basically you have all this information in here, okay? So basically what it says is that it's explaining you that you have that's the website, okay, that is going, the URL that it has to go, but this is so important, okay? So just pay attention of the category. So it says post ad, okay, in the category 160, okay, it means that it's gonna post it on the let's I'm just gonna explain you how it works. So if you put every how do you say, every category has their own ID. So let's say 61 doesn't work. Let's put 150. Okay, 150 it's hair stylist salon. Okay, so it's just an example. That's the category. So because sometimes you have more than one category. So then you have this is the title, okay? So basically it's saying there's the inputs. This is the input text. Then you have the ID, okay? And then you have the attribute, and then you have the content. Okay, content you can just you can do it two ways. You can just put the SP, that it means space, or just erase this and put just like this. This is a title, okay? So then you have all those things, okay? So now I'm just gonna save. I'm just gonna play it, okay? So to see if it works. Okay, continue. Okay, so before I test this, I'm just gonna put wait. So it's wait seconds equal to, let's say, let's put 100 seconds, okay, just to make sure that it's not gonna post it, okay? Okay, so if you see here, so I just put the this is the title, this is the description, and this is the address, blah 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 blah. But whoa, I have an error here. So what happened here? So in Firefox, you're not able to do it with a macro. So this, because there is a code that it changes. This is a code that KIJIJI adds to the image. So basically that it's a unique code. So when you basically when you're trying to pull this, so you're trying to pull it from the other one. So it's kind of hard to explain, but anyways, like this is a unique code. So but that unique code it was for before, it was for the post. So just go here and you can change it to, you can go and change it for this, for the star. So go here, just go So you see, so it pulled the image. So but there is something that I don't like, that it's the that is showing me the so that's the image, blah blah, image area. So I just erase this part and I'm just gonna play. Okay, perfect. So now it's bringing the image without doing anything. Just an advice. So just always put after the image, okay, always put a wait seconds, because sometimes the it really goes fast and it takes time to upload the image. So sometimes it takes more time, and sometimes when you don't put the wait seconds, it's just gonna post it without the image. Okay, so now everything's good, and then it's just gonna post it. Okay, if I just leave it, it's gonna post it. So and that's it. That's when you want to, when you have just one article. Okay, so let's put this. No, I just want to rename it as post. Okay, so but now what I want to do, okay, post, rename. Okay, so I'm just every time that you do it, okay, just make sure that you rename it. Okay, because it's every time you record a macro, it's gonna tell you to, it's gonna create a new file that it's called what's the name, would you like, yes, okay, so it's gonna create a new what is the name of the file, current. Okay, so now we're here, so we're recording. So let's go to my KIJIJI, and I'm just gonna click here, delete, that's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here to post. Okay, edit macro, and I'm just gonna paste all this here. To here. I'm just gonna post everything to here. Okay, so you're gonna see that it's gonna post. It's gonna post the cleaning services. It's gonna post this, and then it's gonna delete it right away. So just put a I just put a wait second. Let's change it to 10 seconds. Okay, because I put 100 seconds, so I just don't want to lose 1.5 minutes. So you see the waiting seconds here. So 1, okay, 0. So it's gonna post it. It did it too fast. So that's it did it too fast. So let's put another wait second here. So let's put play. Okay, you see that now my post is already there. So good. So we're working now. So now it's gonna go to my ad and it's gonna erase it, and that's it. So I just post an ad and then erase it. So now that we're able to do the to post and to erase an ad, okay, so let's do the so now so now we have So now we have to so now we know how to post and how to raise it. Okay, so basically every time you want to do a new thing, okay, a new, let's say, even it doesn't work just for KIJIJI. You can also do it for other sites like, I don't know, CRAIGLIST or things like that. Okay, so let's go to now to reg. Okay, so now go to manage. Okay, so now we're gonna see this thing. Okay, path. Okay, so if you click here, so you're gonna see that you have the macros. Okay, you have the folder data source. Okay, basically because now we're gonna put, well, let's say that you have 100 items. Okay, so you can't do every macro for just one item, if you understand what I mean. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pull it from an Excel. Okay, so now things get harder. Okay, so go to, I'm just gonna set this to desktop. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put apply. So what I'm telling this is that it's gonna pull the all the Excels that are on the desktop. Okay, so now let's go and create, this is post one. Okay, this is, let's put it like this, 2, and this is 3. Okay, so now you have the title here, and then you have the description. Okay, so that's the only thing that we need for now. So just if you are using Excel, just save as CSV. Okay, so just back options, that's fine. And now that's the name that we're gonna put, and just put it, I'm just gonna put it where I set up the paths. Okay, so if I put it on the desktop, just put it on the desktop, but just remember the name. So let's put example. Okay, I'm just gonna example. Okay, so now go back to the Firefox. Now open the current one that we were working. So now basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna change this and this. Okay, so that now we have to think how we're gonna do it. So basically how it works, we're gonna do it as a loop. Okay, basically a loop, it's a step that it repeats and it repeats and it repeats, but we're gonna increment it by, but it's incremented by 1. So every time, let's say, it's gonna go to the first row, second row, third row, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we're gonna go and modify the this macro. Okay, so now blah. Okay, just gonna put tab close all others. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna close all the other windows that I'm using. Okay, you don't have to, but yeah, it's better to. Okay, go to set data source. This is data source, and now is the name. Okay, so what was the name? It was example.csv. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing. Data source columns. So now I have to define how many columns that I have. So I have title and I have description, so it's basically 2. Okay, I can have more. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, because sometimes you have different phones or things like that, so you can do it for the phone too, you can do it for the address too. So now that's I set up this as 2. So now I'm gonna set a loop. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna set the loop. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I don't know how to explain this, but I'm just gonna put one. Okay, because it's gonna start in one. So let's say that you want to start at 5, you can just go here and click 5. Okay, so when you when you change here 5, here in the current, okay, it's gonna be 5. If you set it to 10, it's gonna start in 10. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it as 1. So then I have set data source, okay, line, where is the brackets? I know where the brackets are. The fuck? Okay. Okay, so now in brackets, I have to do 2 times the brackets, okay? So and I'm gonna just put loop. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do a wait, okay? Wait seconds equal to 5. So because I just wanna let this to, I'm just gonna set up the this wait 5 seconds to wait, because I just want to don't make it too fast. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to, this is the title. I'm just gonna erase this and I'm just gonna change it to, okay, don't forget that it's two brackets, col that it stands for column, and it's gonna be 1. Okay, so 1. So now, because the title was the column 1, so now description, just gonna erase it and I'm just gonna change it by 2. Okay, so I'm not gonna erase it. I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm not gonna save it either. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, like this. So basically what it's gonna do is gonna set the data source. Okay, the file that I just did here. Okay, so I have 2 columns. I just save it. So then you have data source columns. I just set this to 2, then set loop to 1. Then that's basically to do it by line. Okay, so basically each line is gonna go to the loop. So and that's the way seconds 5. Okay, so then you have the category and then you have the same exact thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit save and close, and I'm just gonna play my macro. So but now I have a problem here. Line 5, 6. Just gonna go to 6. Data source. Okay, I was missing a underscore here. Okay, play. So now 8. What happened in 8? 8, set data source line, so there's no equal here. Okay, play. So now it's gonna start. So now it's pulling the image. You just put post title, post description. Well, the others you can do it at the same thing that I show you. Okay, so here it did it once. Why? Because I just hit play here. Okay, but if I put, okay, 1, 2, 3, play loop. So now it's gonna go to the loop. Okay, so we're gonna see. Okay, so post title 1, post description 1, the image, that's fine. So now it's gonna do it for the second one. So you see, it's not posting because I just erased that part of the when you hit the bottom. So now it's going to do the second one. So you see that here it changes. So now it goes for the third one and post title 3. So basically here is where you have to create your all the titles and all the descriptions. Okay, so basically that is it. It's everything. It's everything that you have to know to play your loops, to do your iMicro for KIJIJI. So you can post 25, 50, 75 because KIJIJI allows you to post every 25 posts. So it's no that part no it sucks. So, if you understand everything and you like that video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any question or any comments, just you can comment that below. And if you just don't care and you want someone to do it for you, so it's an offer that it's a service that I offer on my company. So you can go to www.kwsystem.ca. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.